Morning guys, it's 10 AM on Sunday morning and I'm just running myself a bath. I've only just got up. Chloe was awake in the night and yeah, so I've had a bit of a lie-in. Excuse me, try not to yawn. Lacey's FaceTimed me. She's had a lovely time at Nanny's. She's already up, dressed and washed and she's going outside to play. She's having a roast pork with Nanny and Grandad today. Lucky girl. We're meant to be having roast pork today, but we forgot to get it out of the freezer. But we've got some mince that needs using up, so we're having cottage pie. Yeah, everyone else is up. You can see them in a little while after my bath. Lacey's just FaceTimed us again, bless her. I think she's missing us all. So I'm going to go and pick her up about 2:30, 3. After she's had a lovely roast with Nanny and Grandad. Roast! Anyway, here's the others this morning. How's it going? Did you sleep well? You was late to sleep last night, actually. The two girls. Liam wasn't. You was asleep quite early, mate.
Daddy.
How you feeling today? Alright? Good, good, good. All on the devices again.
Daddy,
He
can I
was.
pick Lacey up with you?
Yes, darling. And who's this over there? Miss Chloe Dowie!
That's on a device. That's on a device.
Oh, well, this is what. Chloe Dewey's having a nap. And it's time for me to go and put the kettle on. I haven't even had a cup of tea this morning. Scruff, come here.
Lacey,
Come on.
here.
Come on.
Can you do that too?
Yes, let's put this kettle on. And shepherd's pie, well, cottage pie for dinner. Well, we're going to have it for tea. So, we've all had baths. Is Jay in the bath now? And I'm going to edit yesterday's vlog. Chloe, did you enjoy your nap? Mummy doing you some din-dins. Hey? Boo. Boo. Did you have a nice sleepies? Oh, just waiting on this vlog. Vlog. You got sardines for lunch?
Take the sardines.
Oh. Well, it's good for you, so. Sardines is. Alright. What you got, Jay? Meatballs. What you got, Liam? Tomato soup.
I like sardines, they taste good.
She's never tried them until now.
Have you ever had them before? Have you tried them? Do you like it? Good, aren't they?
I love them.
It's nice outside here. Look at them. Sat on the grass eating a muffin. Isn't it nice? It's boiling.
Please,
What?
my back's spoiling. It's supposed to be sunny all day.
Is it?
Yeah.
Lovely. Right, it's nearly 2 o'clock, so I'm going to go and pick Lacey Lou up. I haven't vlogged for a bit because one of Rachel's sisters has turned up, so yeah, let's go and see if Lacey's had a good time. Not having much luck, are we? Car won't start again, so we didn't get very far to pick Lacey up. I'm going to go out and try it once more. If not, Bill's going to bring Lacey back. Well, I've been out to the car a few times trying to get it to start and it will not go. I think it is the glow plugs. People mentioned it on the vlog a while ago. And next door they've gone out, but he's sort of like dabbles in cars and stuff. And he said if it wasn't going later, he was going to get one of these diagnostic machine things that he's got and he was going to connect it to see what the problem was. Because if so, then I can order some glow plugs today and then hopefully get them shipped here for Tuesday and get them fitted quick, because the kids are disappointed because this happened last year. We couldn't go out to Wicksteed Park or anything because my car broke down. Every year we have this problem.
And it's sort
Just,
of annoying.
it's like as if it's not meant to be.
And it's sort of annoying.
Chloe Dowie, look, watching the tumble dry go round. It's just started raining, hasn't it? What are you doing, Chloe? Is that fun? Ah, bang your head. It's going down. Here comes Lacey Lou. Here she comes. Lacey Lou. Where are you? There she is, bless her. Hello. You had a nice time? Good girl. Hello. Okay. Sorry about waking you up. Say goodbye to Grandad then. What do you say? Bye. Bye, Doc. Thanks for having her. Bye-bye. Oh.
I love you.
Bye-bye, love you. Bye-bye, mate. I've just ordered my glow plugs, so hopefully it says they should be here for Tuesday, so that's good. So hopefully get the car sorted Tuesday and we'll still go to Wicksteed on Wednesday, so the kids can still be happy. Me and Rach were just saying it's been a very strange day today, hasn't it, Rach? You know, so, you know, with the car and the kids being unhappy and... just nothing seems to be going right. But I'll tell you what is going right. Tea. Yes, Rach is just dishing the cottage pie up. Hopefully the kids will like it, but yeah, you never know. Are you hungry? We're very hungry, me and Rach. Haven't eaten all day, have we? So looking forward to it very muchly. Is that okay for you kiddies? Yeah, you hungry? Yeah. Lacey didn't want any, but it's fair enough because she had a roast at Nanny and Grandad's. Can't wait. Really enjoyed tea. It's just what the doctor ordered. So Liam and Jay are on the Xbox. These two girlies are outside. Yes. Right, Soph? I've just been out to try the car again. No joy. What, darling?
Yeah, you might be getting things in it. You what they're called?
Glow plugs.
Yeah, they might be here for Tuesday, and then you can fix them, and then it might start working again.
Yes.
Daddy, when can we go to Ritzy Park?
Next week sometime. Probably Wednesday.
You mean this week?
Well, yeah.
Oh, coming up.
Yes.
Yeah, that week.
It's actually turned quite chilly this evening, so all the kids have come in now. Just made them tidy their mess up outside. And they're going to bed very shortly. No tablets and that tonight. They're having an early night. They're all tired and yeah, they're all getting themselves stressed out and stuff. So early night for all, I think. Kids have actually gone up to bed. I'm going to go and say goodnight to them in a bit. Lacey's up there throwing a tantrum. I think her and Sophie have been falling out now. So, and Lacey's hungry, which we told her to come and get something to eat because she didn't have tea with us. Because she'd had roast at Nanny's, so we told her to come and get something. I'm going to send Chloe up to bed in a moment. We've had enough today, haven't we? Yeah, really have had enough, to be honest. I don't know. Tomorrow's another day, eh? Don't like a bedtime, do you? Hey, it's bedtime for you, darling. Good night. Right, Joe Bay. Here's a kiss, darling. Love you.
Love you.
See you in the morning. Kiss, kiss, Lace. Good night. Love you.
Yeah, you want them?
Kiss, kiss.
No.
Good night. Love you.
Love you.
Kiss, kiss, mate. Good night. Love you. I'm sat in the car once again. Gonna give it another whirl. I don't know why. I don't think it'll go, but yeah, I suppose I'm just wanting it to start. I know that they'll still need replacing these things, but Rach, we needed some fresh milk and bread, and I was going to pick it up earlier on when I was meant to pick Lacey up, and Rach is going to pick it all up in the morning on the way from work, and it's going to be quite heavy because she needs wash powder and stuff, so thinking about her carrying it home. So I'm just wanting it to, you know, but saying that, if I get it started now, it might not start tomorrow anyway, so no chance. Can you hear it? Kids looking out the bedroom window at me. No chance. No. Never mind. Well, it's 10:15 and it's time to go up to Bedfordshire in a moment. But first, I'm going to let this little smelly boy out because he's been tromping away and they smell, don't they? Yes, they do. Yes, they do. Ooh, look at them pods. Beautiful, sweet. Absolutely beautiful. Your eyes look like they're beaming. You look evil. Firing lasers at me. There they are. Laser dog. Anyway, best let him out, look, he's desperate. come up to bed, and yes, I could have a headache coming on. So I'm glad it's bedtime. Yeah, I could quite easily get a headache. I think I can just, feel it coming on. So, but Chloe, she keeps rolling on the front there. We keep turning her back, but she rolls back over again. We like her to be on her back, but there we go. I'm going to have to move her again because she's right up to the top with her head at the bars. So anyway, guys, that's going to be it for today. Thank you very much for watching. Take care, and we'll see you tomorrow.